And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you.
Hi babes, let me show you how you can do your brows. First you need a spoolie, an eye pencil, 2 shades of concealer, an angled brush to clean your brows. First you need to dab off the excess oil on your eyebrows. Brush up your eyebrows and using your sharp eye pencil you're going to outline your eyebrows. Use stroke like, just like that. It's easy peasy. On the upper part of your brow, you're going to go a bit in of your brow. Do not start from where your brow starts. I'm going to be following the natural shape of my brow, like so. Then you're going to fill in your brow, mimicking the natural shape, the natural hairs of your brows. Use a light hand, hold your eye pencil a bit further from the tip. Brush your brows to make sure that the product and the brows are well blended in to avoid harsh lines. Using the concealer, place the lighter concealer on the arc of your brow. You can use 1 shade or 2 shades lighter, like so. Drag the concealer to the front of your brow, just like that. Drag the concealer downwards towards your eyelid. This will make it easier for you to blend. Using your finger or a brush or a sponge, you can now start blending. If you feel there's need to drag more, do so. Keep blending and blending until you're satisfied. You can leave it at black, but you can also use your darker shade or the exact shade of concealer or your foundation to clean the top part of your brow. Using my spoolie, brush up your brows. Brush the front part of your brow as well to give it a natural look, just like so. Using your powder brush, dab it to make sure it's not shiny. Like that, you have your brow. 3 easy steps that you can just follow, and you're going to have a natural looking brow, sleek and neat. Let's do the same thing for the other brow, following the same steps.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to pretend.
If you're enjoying this type of content, do not forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and do not forget to subscribe. Just like that, you have your brows done and ready to go.
Bye bye.